Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to link PS5 with Discord. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To link your PS5 with Discord, you need to use the PlayStation Network account linking feature on Discord. Here's how you can do it. To do this, first, press the PS5 button on your controller. Navigate to the game base, then choose Discord, choose link account, hit link, then accept and continue. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your PS5. Open the Discord app on your phone, double tap U to automatically go to user settings. Tap the scan QR code. Now, you have to scan the QR code that appears on your PS5 screen. Tap Authorize. Then hit Close. Back on your PS5, hit the Close button. You can now create or join a voice chat and server of your choice. By following these steps, you can link your PS5 with Discord to share your gaming activity and stay connected with your friends. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.